Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmate. I'm Sana Serovi, and I'm the second reporter from Group 5. ASMAL 2014, on their study, identified some crucial challenges pertaining to 21st century HRM as follows. 1. Demographic shift. Due to the dynamic environment, there is a challenge of demographic shift. Demographic categories include gender, race, nationality, age, religion, and physical disability. The percentage of female employees increases to 48% by 2008 with an increase in their turnout ratio. With the growth of urbanization, opportunities of jobs for females also got increased. For example, in America, 5 out of every 6 new workers are female. This era, many organizations hire employees from different countries, so there is unique environment because they have different language and culture. If an organization tries to hire foreign worker, a program in managing workforce diversity must be in place. Number 2, work arrangement. Work arrangement is another reason for change in workforce. Due to the latest technology including high-speed internet and mobile communication, there is great variety that how and where employees do work. Contemporarily, human resource management has introduced various work arrangements to help in maintaining work-life balance of employees. In these situations, which calls an employee to do work in different schemes due to some circumstance. For example, the COVID-19, people's health is the most important, and so the World Health Organization ordered every country to design work arrangement which will not expose individuals to the virus, like work from home, alternative work arrangement. 3. Knowledge-based economy. Industrial-based economy to knowledge-based economy for providing value to the customer as well as to the employee at the same time. Because in industrial-based economy, manager focuses on the work, but now in knowledge-based economy, the manager focuses on both effectiveness and efficiency. 4. Enhance in creativity and innovation. Businesses are surrounded by competition. In order to cope with it, the human resources have to be trained and exposed in various innovation. For example, Apple and other companies locate their research labs all around the world to identify the market change and preferences. By identifying change, they create new and innovative products. Number 5. Gaining maximum market share. Due to diversity, there is need to focus on the marketplace and market knowledge to know the customer needs and wants and to manufacture products to gain maximum market share. Through drawing experience, teamwork and team skills have become more valuable for quick response to the opportunities within the new marketplace. 6. Employee-employee relationship is very important for achieving organizational goals. Number 7. Reward and compensation system. In industrial era, employees work under the instruction of managers and there was no proper compensation. But now, meron ng proper compensation system in organization, give them rewards for their efforts and completing tasks assigned to them. Reward system, nahikayat natin si employee na magtrabaho with full interest and are helpful to achieving organizational goals. Number 8. Managing the cost. Due to flexible working system, the cost of organization is decreased because technical machines work efficiently and effectively for production of products. Some of the major happenings in the human resource management field today are attributed to the following aspects. 1. Knowledge management. Knowledge management is defined as any process or practice of creating, acquiring, sharing, and using knowledge wherever it resides to enhance learning in organization.